today we're going to look at the figure of 8. As it says on the tin, this is when you get the Diabolo to go round in a figure of 8 around your legs. So let's have a look at those steps broken down. First, put your leg through the string and go into a usual leg orbit. Helps here, making sure that you guide it round as you go. Step 2, make sure you bring the right stick right across your body, and you're going to move your body over so that you've got the line of the string and you're moving your body over one side and then the other side. And if you do this and imagine the string staying in the same place and your body moving, you will find that you can do the figure of 8.